and welcome to the discrete math site, tree traversal. Usually, ordered rooted trees are used to store information. And to access the information, you need some procedures. And these procedures are called traversal algorithms. The most used ones are preorder traversal, Inorder Traversal, and Postorder Traversal. And I will try to cover in this short video these three different algorithms. First, let's start with a very simple, the basic. So if you have a tree like this, the pre-order, you start with the root, and you go to the left child, and then you visit the other children. A, B, C. In order, you start with this left child, and you go to the root. And then from the root, you go down and visit the rest of the children. I have only one here. So it's B, A, C. This one here, post order. You start with the left child again, but now you go and visit the other children. I have only one here. And then from here, the last thing, you go to the root. So let's see this concept again when we have this situation here. For the pre-orders A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. The in order, watch it. You start with this here. You go right to the root. And you go down. You do the other children. It's B, A, C, D. B, A, C, D. The post order, you start with the left child too, but now you go and do the other children first. B, C, D, and then you go to A. Now, what happened as you do this algorithms, if you hit a subtree at any point here, you apply the same concept, the same algorithm. And we will see that shortly. Now, just to point out some things, if you have a situations like that, then the pre-order is AB, the in-order is BA, and the post-order is BA as well. Here, let's take this one here. This is the example. Now, the pre-order, so you have to start from A, then you have to come to here. Here you have a subtree. You do the same concept, B, D, E, F, G, C. So that's easy. A, B, D, E, F, G, C. A, B, D, E, F, G, C. The pre-order is simple. Now the in order, I have to do this first, and then go to A, and then go to C. But this one here is a subtree. Then I apply the same concept. That's the root of a subtree. We apply the same concept, so we come down to here, so we do. So this one here has to be treated applying the same concept, the same method. So now you have D, then you go to B. So the D, B. Now I hit this, another subtree, see? Apply the same concept, F, E, G, see? F, E, G. And then I'm done now, then I have to go to A. Have to go to A. And then C. Have to go to A and then C. Now look at the post order. Post order, you need to You need to do this left child if you want, and then to go to C and then A. But to do this, you have to apply the same method, the same concept. So you start with D, and then you have to come and do this before you go to B. And this, you have to apply the same concept, F, G, E, F, G, E. Then we went to B. So we covered all of this subtree using the same method. Now we do C, and then we do A. Always keep in mind this concept. That is the one that we are applying. And every time we hit a subtree, we apply the same method on that subtree. Now, this is another easy way to do it. If you imagine that you have a, say, island here, and you want to visit these islands, and you make a route here, you start from A, make this, you draw yourself a route, and back, you start from A. Now, the pre-order is you visit the island the first time you see it. So you're in a boat. The first time I see here A, I visited, see A. B, D, E, F, G, C, and then back to A. So that's the pre-order. It's really simple. Now watch the in order. The in order is the second time you see the island you visited. So start with A. B, I'm going to see it again more times. That's the first time. So D, I see it from this side, and I go around, I see it the second time from this side, so I put D. Now look, B, that's the second time I'm seeing B, because I saw B here, I'm seeing it here now, so that's B. We go around, I don't write E yet, because I'm going to see it more times here. F, first time, second time, here's F. Now E, that's the second time, because I saw E from here, I'm going to see it from here too, that's E. And then go around G. And now the second time I'm seeing A now. And then C, that's done, in order. The post order is when the last time, that's your last chance to visit the island, you visit the island. So start from A, B, D. Now I'm going to leave here. I'm not going to see D anymore, so that's why I'm visiting D now. B, not yet, because I'm going to see it here. Come around here. F, here's F. Go around G, here's G. Now I passed E the second, that's the third time actually I'm passing E. That's my last chance. Here's E. And then D, my last chance. No, D is already done. We go around, we put E here. B now, B, that's my last chance for B. See, my last chance for B. And A, I still have a chance to visit at the very end. C, my last chance, and go to A. That's kind of another easy way to use these algorithms. Okay, let's apply now this algorithm on a more complicated tree, a pre-order. So we're going to go A, B, D, E, I, J, M, N, O, C, F, G, H, K, L, P. Very simple. In order. Now you see, in order, you have to do all of this. Remember, all of this here. And then go to A, and then you do this. The second branch, okay? And every time you hit a subtree, you apply the same concept to it. So now, in order, you start with D, B. Now, normally I have to go to E, but E is a subtree rooted at E, then I get I, E, M, J, N, O, Now we're done with all of this. Now go to A, and then F, C, G. I can't do H yet because it's a subtree. K, H, and the situation I explained to you earlier is P, L. Post order, the same situation. You have to do all of this, applying post order on it, and then all of this, and then you go at the end to A. So when you do here, you have D. So normally you have to go to E, but you can't write E yet because E it's a rooted tree, a subtree. Then you go I. So you have D, I, M, N, O, J, E, done. B. We're done with this. Now you go to this here, start the same thing, say F, G, H, we can't do it now, K, P, L, H, C, and then A. And you have it right here. D, I, M, N, D, I, M, N, O, J, E, B, F, C. This one here is this branch rooted at B. And then we went to B, and then the other one is here, F, F, G, K, P, L, H, C, and then you go to A. And that's the end of tree traversal. Thank you, and see you soon.